Alright, first thing you gotta do to get the clutch pedal and stuff swapped for that is to undo this connector right here. It's a 10mm bolt. It doesn't come out, but just undo it until it comes loose. Then there's a couple tabs on the other side of this connector that you would push in to push it into the cab. You might have to remove your cruise control thing. And then on the inside, that's the back side of that connector hole there. You might have to remove your parking brake assembly. Just pull the bolts out, let it slide forward. So you can, then there's going to be a bunch of connectors in this area here that you'll have to unplug so you can have room. And right here, and on the other side, it's an E-clip, flathead screwdriver, or a pair of needle nose or something to pop that clip off. But anyway, that whole pin will slide out and the pedal will drop out. And you'll also have to take off the brake light sensor thing. And honestly, I'd just say I'd take off that thing off the other side and pull the pin out towards the driver's side to get it out. And I'll show you on my truck the installed pedal with the thing, just so you can see it. It's right there, and it's really easy to get it out, or the automatic pedals at least. I'll show you on my truck the connectors you have to unplug, and the installed. Anyway, there's the clutch pedal. There's the back of that connector that I told you have to undo. You'll also have to undo that gray one and the black one there. And the whole clutch pedal is actually the pivot. There, that pin. So there's only one E-clip on this side over here. You can see it right there. So you'll have to wiggle this up in there, line it up, start it in, and then put the brake pedal in it to get it over out that hole and put the E-clip on. And you'll probably want to bend that E-clip so it's a tighter fit, because I've had it fall off a couple times. And the last time I bent it so it was real tight and it hadn't come off yet. So that's the basic gist. And other than that, and also this connector here, it should be there already for the clutch pedal position thing. That should be there, just going to be a little cap thing in it. Just to short a couple of the wires for the automatic computer. And other than that, putting the pedals in is not super hard, but you might want to pull the screws out for that to just get it out of your way. Anyway, for the brake pedal, there's bolt there, bolt right there, and I think, yeah, one right there. And then the whole thing should rock forward, so you can and you'll also take this one out too, I think. It's been a while since I've done it, but should pull out those four. This whole brake pedal assembly, or emergency brake, will pivot forward. You can pull these wires out of the way. And then the whole clutch thing should move over, or the automatic one, and then you stick this one up in there to push it back. That should get you a clutch pedal. Then of course the sensor is the same mounting for the brake. And other than that, I think that's it now. Alright, good luck.